My name is Tairu Wada and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series 2 on the topic of quadratic equation. In this series, we are going to look at when can we use factorization method to solve quadratic equation. And we are also going to look at what is a perfect square, and we are going to look at test of discriminant quadratic expression, which is b square minus 4ac case 1 if it is equals to 0. Then we are also going to look at test of discriminant quadratic expression b square minus 4ac case 2 if it's a perfect square. When can we use factorization method to solve quadratic equation? Factorization method can be used to solve quadratic equation if and only if the discriminant quadratic expression b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 or perfect square. Otherwise, we use formula method, completing the square method, or graphical method. What is a perfect square? A perfect square is a result got when a whole number is multiplied by itself. Example, note n times n is equals to perfect square, where n start from 1, 2, 3, 4, continue going till n. Then 1 times 1 is equals to 1, 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 3 times 3 is equals to 9, 4 times 4 is equals to 16, and 5 times 5 is equals to 25, and n times n is equals to n squared. Therefore, our perfect square there are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and n squared. When we take the square root of a perfect square, the result is whole number. Example, square root of 1 is equals to 1, square root of 4 is equals to 2, square root of 9 is equals to 3, square root of 16 is equals to 4, and square root of 25 is equals to 5, and the square root of n squared is equals to n, because 2 will cancel the square root and it becomes n. Test of discriminant quadratic expression b square minus 4ac case 1 if is equals to 0. Test the discriminant quadratic expression b square minus 4ac. Example, test if 3s squared plus 6s plus 3 is equals to 0. Can be solved using factorization method. Solution: 3s squared plus 6s plus 3 is equals to 0. Compare it with the general form of quadratic equation, which is as squared plus bs plus c equals to 0. Our a is equals to 3, our b is equals to 6, and our c is equals to 3. Put a equals to 3, b equals to 6, and c equals to 3 into b squared minus 4ac. Our b is equals to 6. 6 squared will give us 36. And our a is equals to 3. And our c is equals to 3. 4 times 3 times 3 will give us 36. And 36 minus 36 is equals to 0. Since the answer is 0, it can be factorized. Case 2. Test the discriminant quadratic expression b squared minus 4ac case 2 if it's a perfect square. Test the DQE, which means discriminant quadratic expression b squared minus 4ac. Example, test if s squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 can be solved using factorization method. Solution: s squared plus 5s plus 6 is equals to 0. Put a equals to 1, b equals to 5, c equals to 6 into b squared minus 4ac. 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 times 6 is equals to what? 24. And 25 minus 24 is equals to 1. Since the answer is a perfect square, which is 1, it can be what? Factorized. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you. Remain blessed until we meet again.